Many different causes are uniting to oppose Chicago's bid to host the 2016 Olympic Games.
They're arguing the games would divert money and manpower from solving the city's problems. ABC 7's Michelle Gallardo is here to explain. Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning, John and Stacey. You know, a poll taken last year shows that Chicago's Olympic bid enjoys the support of 72% of local residents. But now a new group is hoping to change that. No Games Chicago, as they call themselves, made it clear they want the IOC to choose another host city in October.
We don't want to be displaced and we don't want to be gentrified.
Made up of smaller splinter groups, organizers of the No Games Chicago meeting got together at UIC yesterday to make it clear they don't want the Olympic Games to come to Chicago.
The general consensus is we do want the IOC to know that the people of Chicago don't want the Olympics, that we have other priorities in the city.
Those priorities, they say, include affordable housing, doing something about the city's broken public school system, and renovating the CTA. They also invited Christopher Shaw, the author of a book about Vancouver's efforts to host the 2010 Winter Games. Vancouver had to take over the financing of its Olympic Village after banks cut off funding to the private developer.
Different groups that had been told they were going to get goodies, they were going to get union jobs, they were going to get, and the money was going to flow from heaven, that there would be endless, there would be no environmental destruction, the greenest games ever, that we'd make money, not lose money. All those things started to become it was very obvious that they were untrue.
But not everyone at yesterday's meeting is against Chicago's Olympic effort. When they got wind of the meeting, the bid team sent out an email to volunteers asking that supporters pack the event and make their views known.
Clearly, people have their concerns. 2016 is concerned about those issues, and we support, obviously, affordable quality, affordable housing, and all the issues that are being raised. But 2016 is not the entity that's going to make those things happen.
Officials maintain that the games will create thousands of jobs and not cost the taxpayers any money, even though the city has pledged, among other things, up to $500 million to cover any operating deficit. However, with the economy in the tank, keeping public support for the bid high between now and October, when the decision is made, is going to be crucial.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to find out if this push actually changes people's opinion. So, all right, thank you very much for that report this morning, Michelle.